Hey G Squad, welcome back to an episode of Is It Worth It? So for today's episode we have this cool amazing product right here in my hand. And basically what this is a marble wallpaper that you can use to put on the wall, or you guys can even put this on a table or whatever really easily because you guys just stick it on. Let me actually open up and show you guys what the product looks like. So when we open up, you guys can see that they provide you a little instruction guide on how to use the product and everything. So let me actually open this part up just to show you guys what it actually looks like if you guys were to put it on. So you can see this is what the back part looks like. It's like a little tape that you can just remove and stick it on. And then this is what the front side looks like. So you guys definitely get that very nice kind of like marble kind of look to it. Definitely looks really nice. I feel like once you guys put it onto a table, it looks even nicer. I definitely love the design and the kind of look to the actual product itself. Kind of give you that kind of like premium kind of a look to it. They also have a lot of different sizes depending on what you guys want. Like the one that I got here, I believe it was like 17 by 78 or something. And there's other ones that are bigger. So this is basically what it looks like when you guys finish rolling it all out. And if you guys want to tape it onto your tables or your background on the wall or something, you guys can do all that. And then if you guys want to, you guys can put like your food on here and you can take like a really Instagram worthy picture or whatever of the marble background and everything. So that's really cool as well. So you can see even with what I have right here with this food on the marble table or marble background, it looks super nice and much more better than like what you guys have right here. So definitely makes a huge difference for people who wants to do like food Instagram posts or posts in general. But now that we did like a little quick unboxing of the product itself, now to answer the question of whether or not it's actually worth it or not. So for me, honestly, I have to say that this product is worth it if you guys want to be a little bit more extra, or if you guys want to have a little more better design, or maybe if you guys do like Instagram or something, you guys want to have a little better background for your food pictures or for some kind of post that you guys want to post on, and you guys love marble, then this is definitely worth it in those cases. But then obviously for those guys who don't want one or don't need one or have no use for one of these, then obviously don't buy one and save your money for something else that actually do need. But other than that, that's pretty much it for this little quick unboxing of the product itself to show you guys what it actually looks like. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys did, then make sure to subscribe, like, and comment down below. And if you guys like this video and you guys want to see more, then make sure to click on that bell notification in the bottom to be notified of new videos that will be coming up in the future. And if you guys like this video and you guys want to see more, then make sure to click on that bell notification in the bottom to be notified of new videos that will be coming up in the future. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace. And then for today's G Squad fan shout out day we have